Good afternoon, Con here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2018 Mac Mini. This is the mid-spec model with the i5, 256GB of storage, and 8GB of RAM. I'm going to use this for basically just day-to-day use, desktop use, browsing the internet, checking my email. I will be doing some light editing on it. I tried out editing on my 2017 13-inch MacBook Pro, basically same specs, i5, 8GB of RAM, and it did just fine, hooked up to an external monitor. Videos exported just fine. They didn't take a long time. It was actually really good, which is what made me buy this and not spend too much money on it. I didn't need a super upgraded computer or a 15-inch MacBook Pro with crazy specs just to get my videos edited and stuff like that for you guys. So I picked this up. We're going to give it a try. I will be upgrading the RAM at some point myself, and I may also purchase an external GPU, depending on how the graphics do. If everything works great, I don't have any issues with it, I'm not going to spend the extra money on it. RAM upgrade, I probably will definitely go to 16GB, and then eGPU is a maybe. So like I said, it is the 3GHz 6-core Intel i5, turbo boost up to 4.1 GHz, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, Intel UHD graphics 630, 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports, and an HDMI 2 port, as well as 3 USB 3 Type A ports. So with UHD integrated graphics, shouldn't have too much of an issue editing just my short 4K videos, you know, like what I upload to my channel. I don't expect it to be an issue at all. Slice it open here. I wish they had the pull tabs on these like they did the new iPads. And the light just died, so bear with me 1 second. Alright, new battery and light, we're back in action. I've never actually owned a Mac Mini before, so I'm kind of excited about this. No, it's not like some fancy computer, but it's going to get the job done. And that is really nice. I like the size. So we have that. We have your paperwork. And we have the power cord. Keyboard and mouse are separate, obviously, as well as a display. You need to provide your own display. But there we go. Take this off. And there's all your ports. Power, Ethernet, 4 USB-C, HDMI, 2 USB Type A, and a headphone jack. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.